Welcome back to Spark. This week, we are going to learn about the new Python integration in all our products and the turnkey installation of Lumerical-provided Python modules. Starting from the 2019 AR3 release, all Lumerical products offer Python integration and come bundled with Python modules including turnkey installation. You can check the status of your Python integration from the new Python integration pane. By default, it uses the bundled Python that came with your Lumerical product, and the status will be active. If you want to integrate with your custom installed Python instead, you can uncheck the Use Python provided by Lumerical option, and the software will integrate with the Python module that you have added in your system path. If you have multiple versions of Python installed, then the first one appearing in your system path will be used. For most users, however, the bundled Python is all you'll need. The first advantage of the Python integration is that the Lumerical script editor now has the capability to run Python scripts. Just load your Python script in the script editor and click Run. This can be as simple as printing the Hello World string to your command prompt or some advanced Python script to optimize the design of your device. Note that the bundled Python comes with the NumPy and SciPy libraries for added convenience. The Python integration also allows you to run app gallery examples that uses Python API out of the box without requiring to manually set up the necessary Python modules. For example, you can simply open app gallery, select the inverse design of Y branch example, download and launch it from the script editor. Since the example runs with the bundled Python, you do not have to worry about pre-installing the necessary Python libraries. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our video next week.